Sorry about that. I had roasted broccoli in the oven and it just finished timing. I will show that to you guys in another video. So, back to pickled plums. All that's in here is apple cider vinegar, 2 parts apple cider vinegar with mother, do not boil it, 1 part water. And then I put the plums in the jar, I put a cinnamon stick in the middle to help place them around, so I had like a support in there. Left the cinnamon stick in, slid a green onion, spring onion in with it, just one. And the flavor came out amazing. They are sour, they are tart, they've got this kind of spiced pickled plum flavor because the cinnamon stick is just sitting in there, pickling away. The way this works is pretty simple. Once you pour everything in, you need to loosen the top for the first week. You heard the air release there. You don't want this off, you need this covered. So you just loosen the lid, you let it bubble. I let it bubble on a cutting board. It's a beautiful cutting board used for everything. Love a good cutting board. And it burps for a week. It makes a little fizz and bubbles as it does everything it's doing. What it's doing is it is eating away all that, all the sugars, not all of them, you're still gonna have some in there, but it's doing its job, bringing the pH down below 4, which is critical. And then it's just pickling away. So you got beautiful, sweet, tart. They're not actually even really sweet, they just smell sweet. So they're sour, spiced plums is what you're gonna go with. Seal the lid after a week, you can put them in storage. These guys look beautiful. People keep getting into them, so I don't have a jar that's completely full anymore. I've got a bunch of guys for roommates, so they don't actually eat one jar down and then get the next one out. Once open, just throw these guys in the fridge. I have a whole shelf in my fridge that is just, instead of ketchup and mustard, it's preserved jars of stuff that people are getting into. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day.